In today's video, I am going to teach you how to level up fast in Valorant Updated 2026 Guide. If you want to gain account levels quickly in Valorant, the most important thing to focus on is experience, also called EXP. The fastest and most reliable way to earn large amounts of EXP is by completing your daily and weekly missions. These missions give you bonus experience on top of what you earn from matches, so they should always be your first priority. Start by checking your mission tab every time you log in. Daily missions are simple tasks that reset often and can be completed during normal play. Weekly missions usually give much more EXP, so they are even more valuable. If your goal is to level up as fast as possible, make sure you are actively playing with those mission objectives in mind. Finishing missions consistently will speed up your progress far more than just playing random matches without a plan. Another effective method is choosing the right game mode. The fastest mode for steady leveling is Spike Rush. Spike Rush gives you 1000 EXP guaranteed for each match, and the matches are much shorter than standard games. Because the games end quickly, you can complete more matches in less time, which helps you collect EXP at a faster rate. This also makes Spike Rush a very efficient way to finish daily and weekly missions. You are not only getting the guaranteed match EXP, but you are also working toward extra mission rewards at the same time. That combination is what makes it one of the best options for fast leveling.